Hi. First of all, sorry for the clickbaity title. Of course, there's no meaningful way to compare the speed of solving Rubik's Cubes with the speed of picking locks, but I'm going to have a go anyway for fun. And to make it even more fun, I thought I'd see if I can solve 3 Rubik's Cubes more quickly than I can pick 5 padlocks using 5 different methods. I'm going to single pin pick this one. I'm going to use a comb on the Master Lock 150. I'm going to use this bypass tool on the brinks. For this warded Master Lock 3, I'm going to use a warded lock pick. And finally, for the lovely Squire 440, I'm going to use lever picks. I'm going to see if I can do all of those faster than the 3 Rubik's Cubes. Okay, wish me luck. Let's single pin pick this guy. Okay, I'm definitely getting some clicking here. There we go, got that one open. And then the comb in here. It's a matter of finding the pins. There we go. The bypass tool. Nice and quick. Now this, I think this warded lock pick. We'll do this one. Yeah, that's good. And now finally, let's get the tension in there and then get my pick in. Let's see, I think that was lever 1. Nice click, and then now my pick is stuck. Did I get it? Yeah. There we go. So the locks took 1 minute and 1.35 seconds. Right, I'm going to clear the locks away. And let's see how quickly I can solve these 3 Rubik's Cubes. And the time to beat is 1 minute and 1 second. Let's reset the timer. I should have a quick look at these cubes, I suppose. Okay. I might start with this one, actually. This one looks quite nice. Right. There we go. Oops. Oh dear. The locks won by a mile. 1 minute, 22.34 seconds for the Rubik's Cubes. So there we have it. I'm faster at picking those 5 locks than I am at solving these 3 Rubik's Cubes. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And thanks so much for watching.